Yes, the Senate leader has said that this reminds us of Charles Dickens' novel, A Tale of Two Cities, in which Paris was burning and London was calm. In this case, while it is calm in Senegal and things are going on well, we are now having a very serious problem in Mali. But we have to understand that what is going on in Mali, we still do not understand it. Because we know that there is a real problem of Al-Qaeda in the Maghreb. That is, and also part of the remnants of Gaddafi's army that flowed down from the fighting in Libya to come into Mali. Mali being an impoverished country and a country that depends largely on aid, for the military within there, or for some elements in the military to say that they are overthrowing a government because the government is not helping them to fight, does not gel very well. Because as of 2 days ago, there was a report that there is an ongoing effort to make peace by the same military that took over and the Tuareg rebels. So there is an implication that it may actually be the Al-Qaeda in the Maghreb that is now trying to get its own base of a country. That makes it very, very, has very serious implications for Nigeria. Because Mali is not so far away from Nigeria. Once you cross Niger, they are down here. Part of the problems we're having in security today, we also know that they come from that side. So this is something that we must condemn. This is something that we must tell our government to be able and to stand firm for democracy in Africa. I fully support all the measures that have been listed out by the leader, and I think that we must at all times go even a step further. If we call diplomatic relationships, it's not just that. We must also use our influence in the United Nations, the European Union, and the various unions in Africa to put pressure on that government. No government can survive on its own in this very closely knit world as we have it today. That means that as much as possible, whatever we have, we should do everything to bring back democracy in Mali. I so submit.